How to turn off Vibrate on Ring. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off Vibrate on Ring on your Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on your profile up there, and now scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. Now you have a Vibrate on Ring. Click on and turn off this option, whatever you want. And this is it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was helpful, or if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.